The Chinese state-run news outlet reported on Thursday that 3 Filipinos were arrested in Beijing for alleged espionage. The incident is expected to fuel further discussions about national security and international relations. PTV's Patrick De Jesus has the report.
3 Filipinos were arrested in China for alleged espionage. According to the report of a Chinese state-owned media outlet, the activities were conducted near military facilities and focused on military deployments, allegedly under orders from an intelligence operative in the Philippines. The Filipino suspects reportedly admitted to the activities. According to the Chinese Foreign Ministry, they will strictly handle the case. The Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, has been made aware of the complaint being faced by the 3 arrested Filipinos. Appropriate assistance is being provided, including legal support. The DFA also conveyed to the Chinese government to observe due process. The AFP recognizes the significance of the report and is also ready to provide support. According to a security expert, the allegations should be investigated thoroughly.
Para sa akin, hindi state-sponsored ang ating espionage. Alam natin kahit na mayroon tayong territorial dispute in the West Philippine Sea, hindi ito ang tugon ng ating gobyerno at hindi ito ang ating estratehiya. Alam natin na ang China ay malakas pagdating sa kanilang cybersecurity at maingat tayo sa pagdating ng ganitong mga bagay-bagay.
This could also be China's response, especially since a string of Chinese nationals have also been arrested in the Philippines for alleged espionage, now totaling more than 10 just this year.
We see some retaliatory acts at hindi kinakailangan dapat ganito ang mangyari. Kinakailangan dapat mag-usap yung dalawang bansa kung ano ang mga mitigations dahil nag-escalate lamang yung problema natin pagdating sa ganito.
Cabalsa also advised Filipinos in China to be cautious.
Maaring nadadamay sila dito sa hidwaan na ito, pero meron tayong mga mechanisms kung paano natin sila maproproteksyonan at nandoon ang ating embahada para tulungan sila. Hinihiling din natin ang ating gobyerno na sa pagdating ng mga ganito, ibigay natin lahat ng pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan na naiipit sa hidwaan. Hindi pwedeng maipit ang kapwa Pilipino natin pagdating sa mga ganitong sitwasyon.
Meanwhile, the West Philippine Sea could be a factor if Taiwan is attacked. A maritime law expert says China's artificial island there could be used.
Yung sa Mischief Reef at saka yung sa Fiery Cross at isa pa, no? Yung mga military bases na yon, sigurado gagamitin nila para ang mga ibang bansa na maaring gustong tumulong sa Taiwan or at the very least para sakalin ang maritime trade na papunta sa Taiwan. Tayo maapektuhan yan dahil necessarily mag-interfere din sila doon sa ating maritime trade na dyan din nagdadaan.
China has concluded its military drills around Taiwan, wherein earlier, the Philippine government dismissed fears and insisted that having a contingency plan to rescue OFWs there is normal. From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balita, Pambansa.